Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, rear window defroster, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.